For 76 years, astronomy textbooks described our solar system as having 9 major planets instead of the 8 we see today. This changed in 2006 when Pluto was reclassified from a major planet to a dwarf planet, causing much controversy. Even today, many believe this fascinating frozen world should be the 9th major planet of the Sun. But another debate about Pluto has been largely forgotten, whether its largest moon, Charon, is truly a moon. Pluto's history is one of discovery, debate, and a monumental decision that led to identifying a new class of objects. Are we looking at this distant world and its supposed moon incorrectly? Could Pluto and Charon actually be the first double-planet system in our solar system? You're watching V101 Space. My name is Rob. If you enjoy my videos, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell to never miss an update. Pluto, classified as a dwarf planet in a region called the Kuiper Belt, features red snow, blue skies, incredibly tall mountains, and heart-shaped glacier. It is considered one of the most interesting objects in the solar system, but its largest moon, Charon, often overlooked, makes this frozen dwarf planet even more fascinating. Although Pluto was discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh, Charon wasn't spotted until 1978 by astronomer James Christie. Initially, it was to be named Persephone, after the daughter of Zeus who was abducted by Pluto in Greek mythology. However, Christie proposed the name Charon, after the ferryman of souls across the river Styx to the underworld, partly in honor of his wife, Charlene. Little was known about Charon until 2015 when NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew by, revealing a unique surface with surprising features. An enormous red area covers its north pole, resulting from Pluto's thin atmosphere settling onto Charon's icy terrain. A spectacular canyon stretches over 1,600 kilometers on its surface, making it at least 4 times longer than the Grand Canyon and twice as deep in some places. Bizarre features like a solitary mountain within a deep depression, nicknamed Mountain in a Moat, were also discovered. Charon, about 1,200 kilometers wide, is approximately half the diameter of Pluto and is, in fact, the largest moon relative to its parent body in the solar system. This raises the question, is Charon closer to a dwarf planet than a moon? If so, does this make Pluto and Charon the first double-planet system in our solar system? Binary objects are not rare in the universe. It's estimated that 1/3 of star systems in the Milky Way are binary. However, double planets are considered much rarer. Unfortunately, the criteria distinguishing a binary planet from a planet-moon system are not well defined. The most commonly used criterion involves how each object orbits the other, specifically the location of the center of mass, or barycenter. In the Earth-Moon system, the barycenter is within the Earth, so the Moon effectively orbits Earth, disqualifying them as a double-planet system. But this is not the case with Pluto and Charon. Here, the barycenter is about 2,126 kilometers above Pluto's surface, meaning both objects orbit a point outside of Pluto. This point orbits the Sun, and the other 4 moons of Pluto, Onyx, Styx, Kerberos, and Hydra, also orbit this barycenter. Pluto is merely the largest object in a system of bodies orbiting a common center of mass. Due to Charon's size relative to Pluto, many considered them a double planet before Pluto's reclassification in 2006. There is a strong argument that these distant frozen worlds should be reconsidered as the first officially recognized binary dwarf planet system in our solar system. According to the International Astronomical Union (IAU), a dwarf planet is a celestial body that orbits the Sun, has sufficient mass to assume a nearly round shape, but has not cleared its orbital neighborhood. If Charon does not orbit Pluto and meets the first 2 criteria of a dwarf planet as per the IAU, then it should also be classified as a dwarf planet. If both Pluto and Charon orbit a barycenter outside of Pluto, then by these definitions, they constitute a binary dwarf planet system. They may not be the only ones. Other distant worlds, such as Eris and its moon Dysnomia, Orcus and its moon Vanth, and Vada and Ilmare, could also be binary dwarf planet systems. The formation of these binary dwarf planets, or even double planets, is still a mystery, but it is believed that Charon might have formed from a giant impact event similar to how our moon was created. A large object might have struck Pluto long ago, breaking off a piece that eventually became Charon. If our galaxy is full of binary stars, then binary planets are also possible. Within our solar system, dozens of binary asteroids have been discovered, so why not have binary dwarf planets as a category too? The reclassification of Pluto in 2006 caused much uproar at the time, but the truth is that the astronomers who voted to make it a dwarf planet were simply trying to correct a misclassification from decades earlier. But could this still be the case? Is there a solid argument that Pluto is still in the wrong category? Should Pluto and Charon be in a new category, as the first officially recognized binary dwarf planet system in our solar system? In this video, we explored the bizarre features of Pluto and Charon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave your opinion about the video in the comments. See you next time.